See, he chill with me. He cool. He let me pet him. He know we good. See, he a little feisty. I can't.
You want them to move so you can take the picture out?
Nah, kind of sorta. Oh, it took off the big one.
Hey, Juliana. Yeah, now they are moving. Yeah. They removed the thing that you...
Yeah, ain't not bad. Yeah. Close though. And I mean the fish.
The fish, yeah. That's Kenan Dide. That's the small tilapia. Yeah, they are going to use it for the funnel.
And they fry it?
They fried it, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they get it fresh from the water.
So these are small tilapia?
Small tilapia, yeah. We call it Dide.
Dide,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we are going to make banku with okra. So when they are far, I don't worry more.
Ma said, oh, so you want to play with crabs, huh? You think you big and tough, huh? Play with these crabs. Look, them niggas eating peanuts right now. You see that shit? Them niggas sitting there eating peanuts. Y'all see it? Yo. Look at my pets, y'all. Look at my boys. And his mama. He a little feisty one right there. Look. Look at him, he a little feisty. Say what's up, guys. Just chilling. Oh, he sleep. My bad. Y'all like? Got some peanuts in there, got a little water in there for him. I was trying to get them eating. I was trying to, they were eating. Well, those two was eating earlier. I was trying to get a picture of that, but I kind of missed it. That one just sleep. What you looking at, Mr. Krabs? Look at that man's eyes, yo. What you looking at, Willis? Stop playing. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, shit. Ooh, almost had me. Come here. Oh, shit. No, cuz ain't playing. He chill. He know know I'm good. You know I'm good. He a little feisty right there. I lost him. That's one of my guards. See, he chill with me. He cool. He let me pet him. You know we good. See, he a little feisty. I can't even pet him. Well, bad time, guys. I make sure my chill out, boy. I'm gonna rinse the cage out or they bucket out. Look a little messy, you know. Rinse them off a little bit. Yeah, guys. Early bird died. Early bird was the first one to go, guys. See him. Early bird was the first one to go. Boy, calm down. Clean this out for them. Clean it up, put some new food. Get all that poop out of there. Yeah, believe it or not, I'm gonna try to bring these joints back to America. They saying I probably can't, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna try to. Make sure y'all subscribe, follow me. RIP to Early Bird. He was the first one to go. RIP to Early Bird, y'all. Drop your RPs in the comments down below. Drop your RPs in the comments down below. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Damn it, we're in Africa right now. I had to give him a bath today, y'all. That's looking smack at me too. Ready to go. Well, today on the menu we will be having peanuts. I think this is too much. We'll be having peanuts today. And some imported peanuts today. Dinner is served. Enjoy, guys.